In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payhip store name. This is a quick and simple update, but it's important because your store name is one of the first things your customers see. It helps build your brand and makes your shop look more professional and consistent across your products, emails, and marketing. Let's start from inside your Payhip account. First, log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual login details. Once you're on the main dashboard page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, choose Settings. As soon as you click Settings, Payhip will open your store settings page. This is where you can manage a lot of basic information about your shop. At the very top of this page, you'll see your current store name. Right underneath that name, there's a text field. This is the editable box where your existing store name is currently written. Click inside that text field, delete your old store name if needed, and type in the new name you want to use. Take a second to double check the spelling, the capitalization, and how it looks overall. Remember, this is part of your brand identity, so you'll want it to look clean and intentional. If you're rebranding, try to match this name with your logo, social media handles, and domain, so everything feels consistent to your customers. Once you're happy with the new store name, you need to save your changes. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see a button labeled Save Settings. Go ahead and click that button. After you click Save Settings, the page will quickly reload. Give it a moment. When it finishes reloading, look toward the top of the screen. You should see a small pop-up notification confirming that your profile or settings have been updated. That message is your confirmation that the store name change has gone through successfully. At this point, your new store name is active. If you want to be extra sure, you can refresh the settings page or visit your public store page in a new tab to see how the new name appears to visitors. And that's all you need to do to change your Payhip store name.